Hi guys, welcome to our channel. This is Rebecca. The market size of household appliances is estimated at $448 billion in 2021. In particular, the sales value of laundry appliances and refrigeration appliances will reach $70.6 billion and $95 billion respectively. What products should you sell to get huge profits? Through research, our team has found that washing machines, ice machines, wine coolers are flying off the shelves on various online marketplaces. Number 1. Washing machine. The washing machine is in huge demand as a must-have for all households. Its search volume keeps increasing steadily every year. These two products are equipped with delay function and noise reduction. It's expected that the sales will soar this year. Number 2. Ice machine. Among all major appliances, the ice machine stands out. According to Google Trends, its popularity will hit a new high this summer. Don't overlook the niche market in which the top 10 sellers are making over $200,000 per month now. You can find a variety of ice makers to dropship. They are powerful, equipped with high ice storage capacity, and one-button cleaning, ideal for any dessert shop, restaurant, hotel, and bar. With free shipping, you can earn much higher profits. Number 3. Wine cooler. The global wine market is expected to regain its momentum after 2020, growing at a CAGR of 8.51% from 2021 to 2025, which will stimulate the growth of the wine cooler market. Google Trends indicates that the demand for wine fridges has increased dramatically in the past 2 years. With compressor cooling technology and accurate temperature control, our wine coolers are perfect for chilling and storing any wine in a consistently stable environment. As the competition in this niche isn't high, it's recommended that you dropship high-performance wine coolers with high capacity now to quickly obtain more market share. Apart from the 3 home appliances that we've just mentioned, microwaves, electric fryers, meat grinders, and so on also sell like crazy. Hope these recommendations are useful for your business growth. If you like our video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the notification to get the latest news from us. What other niches do you want to know? Leave comments below to get more recommendations from us.